Simplifying Christmas for a stress-free holiday. Embrace a minimalist approach. The holiday season is a time of joy, celebration, and sometimes overwhelming extravagance. As much as we love Christmas, the increasing intensity of holiday preparations can feel daunting. For a stress-free holiday, embrace a minimalist approach to simplify Christmas celebrations. With households bustling with children, time is a precious commodity. Here's how to create a plan to embrace simplicity and mindfulness this Christmas. Minimalist Christmas decorations. Focus on the essentials. While we may have fond memories of going all out with Christmas decorations in the past, this year use a more restrained approach. Instead of adorning every corner of your home with festive decor, focus on the essentials. A Christmas tree and stockings. Whether you choose to have a real tree or artificial tree this year, create a special focal point in your home. We would love to hear in the comments if you grew up with a real or artificial tree. To further simplify, consider swapping or not adding decorations. Replace regular items with holiday-themed ones, such as swapping standard throw pillows and dish towels for Christmas versions. This method introduces festive cheer without overwhelming your space. Streamlining gift giving. Meaningful over materialistic. Gift giving is a cherished part of the holiday season, but it can often lead to excess and materialism. To streamline the process, we want to suggest a simple rule to follow with your children. Something they want, something they need, something to wear, something to read. For example, a child will receive a high chair for her doll, want. Kid-friendly cooking utensils, need. Cozy pajamas, wear, and a couple of books, read. This approach ensures meaningful gifts without making them the focal point of the holiday. Creating new traditions. Beyond the presents. Inspired by a workshop with Dawn from The Minimal Mom and Christine from Frugal Fit Mom, we are focusing on making Christmas Day special beyond just the presents. Creating new family traditions that extend the day's enjoyment can prevent the post-gift letdown. Consider activities like a family hike, baking cookies together, or watching a favorite holiday movie. Simple and stress-free holiday meals. Hosting holiday meals can be a source of stress, but simplifying the menu can help. Focusing on meals that are easy to prepare and serve, like homemade lasagna, which allows for less coordination and more enjoyment. Preparing meals in advance is another strategy to reduce stress, leaving more time to enjoy the day with family and friends. Leveraging technology. Online shopping and local support technology can be a great aid during the holiday season. Don't hesitate to use online shopping and delivery services to save time. Supporting local stores is wonderful, and many offer online shopping options to make the process easier and more convenient. Practicing mindfulness and gratitude. Amidst the hustle and bustle, practicing mindfulness and gratitude helps us focus on what truly matters. Taking time away from screens to appreciate the present moment with family and friends enriches the holiday experience. By modeling gratitude and mindfulness, we teach our children these valuable practices, encouraging them to appreciate the simple joys of the season. These are some ways to simplify Christmas this year. We would love to hear your strategies in the comments below. Remember to be kind to yourself and others during this festive time. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to sharing more in our next informative video. To stay updated with more content like this, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Simple.